everyone, I'm Lucy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we've got another hair tutorial, and again it is using the Mark Hill curling wand, and today I'm going to be using the straight curler barrel. With this barrel you can straighten your hair and curl your hair. I have roughly straightened my hair this morning because it's naturally curly, just so that you can kind of get a better look with it, but with my curly hair I can just go straight in with this, but I thought it'd just be easier to show you with my hair already straightened, so that's why I've straightened my hair. I've used a lot of heat protectant because I am actually really trying to look after my hair, not use too much heat on it at the minute. I'm going to be reviewing and showing you how to use the Mark Hill curling wand. I absolutely love this and love how they've got so many different barrels to it. I've done the crimp curler tutorial like mermaid waves already, so I'll leave that linked below so you can check that out if you want to see what kind of curls that barrel makes. But yeah, today we're just going to be sticking with this one. If you've got any other ones you want me to test out with this Mark Hill one, then please let me know and I will do it. I've got quite a few already, so yeah, may as well just show them all. This barrel kind of scares me because I did show in my last video that you can kind of just tilt it to kind of reach the back of your head depending on what curling wand you're using. This kind of scares me like I'm gonna burn myself. Got this up to temperature. It's only got like one setting and I think that goes up to 180 degrees, and then we can just get into curling it. I've got a heatproof mat here, which unfortunately it doesn't come with a heatproof mat, which I feel like all heat kind of applicants do need to come with a heatproof mat. Before, I've also left this on when I've done a curler and it doesn't automatically switch off after a couple of hours. With that safety feature it doesn't have that, so just bear that in mind, that if you are forgetful and leave curlers on like me, that's probably not the best thing. So I always try and remember just to unplug it because I forget to literally turn off my straighteners or curlers all the time. I'm honestly the worst for it. Also, I'm going to be using my viewfinder to do this, so it's probably not going to be the best tutorial, but you can kind of get a rough estimate on how to kind of use the wand and what it turns out like. You know what, it would have probably helped if I had actually plugged it in properly. That's probably why it's not heating up, but you can tell when it's heating up because it's got like the red light here. So before I show you how to use it on my hair, I'll just quickly run through how to use it. But the barrel kind of has this curved shape iron in the middle of it. You open it by pressing this lever down and then you clamp it on a bit of hair and pull your hair down but twist at the same time, and then that creates the curl that you want. I'll be demonstrating how I actually do that, and then we'll probably go into a time lapse or like split up the clips just so that it doesn't get too boring of you watching me curl my hair. So you open up the barrel, stick it between the little bit of hair that you've sectioned out, pull it down, but as you pull it down you want to kind of twist the hair round so that it curls, and then I'll put it behind ready to get the next section down. So it creates a curl like that, and again just put it behind your head just so that you know you curled that. I feel like my hair is probably a little bit different because my hair is quite thin because it's naturally curly compared to like other hair, but I've used this on my hair extensions and I just love the way it turns out with my hair extensions. Something to also mention with the curler, they usually do have 3 for 2 on. So you can see this is the side of my hair that I have curled, and then this is more the straight side of my hair. So let's just continue on with the process around the rest of my hair, and then I can show you the finished result. Also, by using this curler, my hair doesn't actually feel like it's burning. Sometimes, like when you use curlers or something, your hair can actually feel like it's burning, but in this case, my hair just feels normal. So I'm just going to show you how to kind of do the front bit of my hair just quickly, because you kind of want it to frame your face. So I start lower down and then that's kind of shaped around your face, and you can kind of pull it out, but then that kind of just shows you can kind of get the curl in whatever placement you want. And I think this would this colour would be really good for like an up hairdo, and then you want like your fringe kind of shaped a little bit. So I just jumped off camera to do the last little bits so that I could see it much more. This is kind of like the finished result. I'm just going to put some hairspray in my hair to keep it all nice and together. But this is kind of what the finished result looks like using that curler. I like how you can kind of frame your face, and I like the fact that you kind of have the straight and then the curl. These curls will last quite a long time. Not sure if it's because my hair is naturally curly, but I love this. It adds a lot more volume to your hair and just kind of makes you look a lot more put together. Again, like I said, with hair extensions, it looks really nice with hair extensions as well. Love how it kind of looks. It kind of looks like I've been to the hairdressers, and then I got my hair curled, especially framed around the face. So if you wanted, everyone knows that I always have my ponytail in. If you wanted like an updo, then you can have like your fringe down, and I think that looks really nice as well. But yeah, it adds a lot more body to like thinner hair, and pretty much love the end result. So yeah, that's my tutorial and kind of review of the Mark Hill wand. I do really like it. I feel like you could potentially get the same look using hair straighteners, but I feel like that ruins hair straighteners when you try and curl with hair straighteners. And then this is just so easy for someone like me that it's just awful with hair. So thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time for another video.